Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the ICCON Premium Magnetic Charging Cable. On the front of the box, we have an image of the cable itself, ICCON branding on the bottom right, and the model name on top. The model name is MDC03. Apart from that, there is some funky designing on the front, and the front also has this flap which when opened we can see the cable itself through this clear plastic window in the packaging. Here we have a full image of the cable on the left hand side. On the right hand side of the box, we simply have some ICCON Pro Plus branding. Same on the left hand side. There's nothing on the top. On the bottom, we just have a barcode. On the back of the box, over here, we have a couple of images of the cable, and since it's a magnetic cable, we can see that it can be shaped into a couple of forms. These are just examples of the shapes that you can make using this cable. Over here we have some warranty information, but we recommend that you consult the Amazon product page for all the relevant information regarding the warranty first. Here we have some of the key features, which include easy storage for organized travel, neatly coiled to keep your work desk organized, and a unique minimalistic design. Over here are some of the technical specifications, like a current flow of 4 amps, durable under pressure, tangle-free design, 1.2 meters of length, and high-speed data transfer. It also supports fast charging facility. Over here we have some of the configurations in which this cable is available, and the one that we have is a Type-C to Lightning cable. That's about it in terms of what is on the outside of the package, so let's get into it now. On the inside, we get a thank you note from the brand. It also has some of the information, the contact details, that is for the customer care. So now that we're done with this, we'll get it out of the frame. Coming to the cable itself, we can see that it has a primarily white color theme going for it, and the magnets that hold the cable together are finished in silver color. As we know from the box, it is a USB Type-C to a Lightning cable, and it is 1.2 meters long. The benefit of a magnetic cable like this is that it helps a lot with cable management, and it prevents the cable from getting tangled up. It is also easier to transport, and it improves the life of the cable as it is kept well. To get started with using this cable, we need compatible devices. Here we have a power strip with a power adapter that supports USB Type-C charging. We will put the USB Type-C interface into the power adapter, and we also have an iPhone for the Lightning interface to go into. Hopefully, when connected, the iPhone should start charging. So this was the unboxing of the ICCON Premium Magnetic Charging Cable. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.